DFT has been manufacturing high-quality check valves and control valves for over 75 years. The model LSV-100 is a general service globe-style control valve available in sizes 3/4 inch through 6 inch in ANSI class 150 and 300 with a raised face design. Available in carbon steel and stainless steel options, pneumatic spring and diaphragm actuation is standard. The LSV-100 has a top entry design for ease of maintenance. The LSV-100 can manage pressures up to 740 psig and temperatures up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit. It can be used for modulating or on-off control. The LSV-100 can be used for liquid, gas, or steam applications. Class 4 ANSI metal-to-metal shutoff is standard. The LSV-100 is designed to successfully manage a wide range of process variables, including flow, pressure, temperature, and level. Control systems are designed for maximum performance. In order to meet system-specific requirements, the LSV-100 is available in 3 different flow characteristics: quick opening, linear, or equal percentage. Adding to the LSV-100's ability to provide fine modulating control, each size of LSV-100 is available in 3 port sizes: full port, standard port, or reduced port. The LSV-100 is available in 2 basic materials of construction configurations: carbon steel and stainless steel. The carbon steel option includes an A216 WCB carbon steel body and bonnet, along with 410 stainless steel seats and plugs. The stainless steel option includes an A351 CF8M stainless steel body and bonnet, along with 316 stainless steel stellite hard-faced seats and plugs. The LSV-100 is an excellent choice for a variety of applications across many industries, including chemical mixing and blending, district heating and cooling, level control, pressure control, and temperature control for process gas, steam, or water. The LSV-100 is an excellent choice for mechanical contractors, skid manufacturing, storage tank fill and discharge lines, as well as crude and refined product lines. DFT maintains a stock of LSV-100 globe control valves for quick shipping requirements. Specify DFT LSV-100 control valves for your general service applications. View our complete selection of control valves at dft-valves.com.